When the wild turns ruthless, your blade becomes your lifeline. Whether you're deep in the backcountry, prepping for the unknown, or chasing the thrill of tactical perfection, your knife isn't just gear. It's survival. In this video, we've handpicked 10 of the most reliable, battle-tested, and future-ready tactical knives. From elite military-grade blades to compact EDC warriors, each one is built to perform when it matters most. So if you're serious about gear that doesn't quit, like, comment, and subscribe to stay sharp with every drop. Without further ado, let's dive in. Morakniv Campanion Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife. When you're deep in the wild, the Morakniv Campanion Fixed Blade is the tool that keeps survival simple yet reliable. Its 4.1-inch stainless steel blade resists rust and stays razor sharp, making it perfect for food prep, carving, or cutting cordage. The ergonomic grip with high-friction rubber handle ensures control even in wet or cold conditions, while the lightweight military green sheath keeps it secure at your side. Next, Cold Steel SRK 6-inch SK5 clip-point razor-sharp blade. When the wilderness demands strength and precision, the Cold Steel SRK 6-inch SK5 rises to the challenge. Its razor-sharp clip-point blade, crafted from SK5 steel, delivers dependable cutting power for everything from slicing rope to preparing shelter stakes. The 4.75-inch Crayex handle offers a secure, slip-resistant grip even in wet or muddy conditions, while the Securex sheath keeps it battle-ready at your side. Imagine trekking through rugged terrain with one knife designed for durability, control, and tactical reliability. The SRK is built to endure the toughest survival scenarios. Next, Dragon Creek Fixed Blade Knife. Imagine trekking through dense jungle with nothing but your instincts and one trusted blade. The Dragon Creek Fixed Blade, with its full Tang construction, delivers unshakable strength, ready to split wood, carve shelter stakes, or defend against the unexpected. Its durable black handle locks firmly into your grip, even when sweat or rain makes conditions slippery. In survival, reliability is everything, and this knife is built to be the dependable edge you carry when the wild gets real. Next, Morakniv Campanion Spark Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife. When the wilderness turns cold and dark, the Morakniv Campanion Spark becomes more than just a knife. It's your lifeline. With a 3.9-inch stainless steel fixed blade, it handles food prep, carving, and cutting with ease, while the built-in fire starter ensures you can spark a flame even in damp conditions. Its ergonomic grip keeps control steady in rain or frost, and the durable sheath keeps it ready at your side. Next, K-Bar Becker Campanion Fixed Blade Knife. Imagine being stranded in the wilderness as night falls. Your survival depends on more than just a blade. The Morakniv Campanion Spark combines a 3.9-inch stainless steel fixed blade with an integrated fire starter, giving you both cutting power and the ability to spark a life-saving flame. Its ergonomic grip ensures control in wet or cold conditions. Next, ESEE 4P Survival Knife. Imagine standing in the wild where every cut counts. This is where the ESEE 4P Survival Knife proves its reputation. With a full Tang plain edge blade, it's built for heavy-duty tasks like the tonning wood, carving shelter supports, or food prep. The field-tested design ensures reliability under pressure, while the molded polymer sheath with clip plate keeps it secure and accessible at your side. Durable, versatile, and trusted by outdoor professionals, the ESEE 4P is the blade you carry when survival demands strength and precision. Next, Artisan Cutlery Tactical Knife. When the outdoors demands both strength and versatility, the Artisan Cutlery Proponent Tactical Knife is the edge you can count on. Its D2 steel blade delivers razor-sharp durability for cutting rope, carving wood, or preparing food, while the carbon fiber handle ensures a lightweight yet secure grip. Designed as a folding EDC, it offers everyday practicality but performs like a fixed blade when survival tasks get serious. Whether hunting, camping, or facing the unexpected, this knife is built for those moments when reliability matters most. Next, EC3 fixed blade knife with sheath. When survival calls for a balance of strength and agility, the EC3 fixed blade knife delivers. Crafted from 1095 carbon steel, its black plain edge blade is tough enough for batoning wood, yet precise for carving or food prep. The 3D contoured G10 handle in gray-black ensures a secure, comfortable grip during extended use, while the durable sheath with clip plate keeps it accessible at your side. Made in the USA and field-tested, this knife is built for those critical moments when reliability and control matter most. Next, Morakniv Garberg Full Tang Fixed Blade Knife. When survival demands a blade that can take on anything, the Morakniv Garberg stands ready. Built with a full Tang carbon steel blade, it delivers unmatched strength for batoning wood, carving shelter stakes, or processing food in the wild. Its robust Scandinavian grind ensures razor-sharp performance and easy maintenance, while the durable sheath keeps it secure at your side. Trusted by adventurers worldwide, this knife is designed for those critical moments when reliability and toughness are the difference between challenge and survival. Next, Knives Ranch Fixed Blade Hunting Knife. When the hunt demands precision and durability, the Knives Ranch Fixed Blade Hunting Knife is the tool you reach for. Its full Tang Damascus steel blade delivers razor-sharp performance for skinning and detailed outdoor tasks, while the bone handle provides a classic, sturdy grip that feels natural in hand. Paired with a heavy-duty horizontal carry sheath, it stays snug and secure at your side, ready for quick access. This knife is built for those critical moments when strength, control, and craftsmanship make all the difference in the wild. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Connected with us. It will fuel us for more better work.